Okay, so okay, so good evening, everyone. Last class we already done what is Power BI, what is visualizations, how it's work, how it's download and install, Power BI architecture. Okay, then why Power BI and components of Power BI. This topic we already discussed about in our previous class. Okay, so anyone missed it, so please go to the notice board and click on link and download or visit the class. Okay, so for today's session we just start what is dimension and measures. So I think I just uh, discuss what is dimension and measure in our previous class. Anyone remember what is dimension and measures?
So any quantitative data that can be measured is measure, and other things are dimensions like name.
Okay, so anything else? If anyone any idea what is dimension and measures? Okay, uh, just a minute. First of all, I just open the Power BI file. Mm, okay, so first of all, we already did how to get data from another sources. So just click on get data and choose your data sources. Okay, so here all data sources are available which is used in our industry. So I already get the data which is sample superstore, global sample superstore 2016 data. You can use any data if you have. Okay, so next, this is the Power BI homepage. So this area is called canvas. Okay, where we build the visual with our data. Next, there is three by default pans. First is filter, second is visualizations, and third one is data. So this is the filter pan, this is the data visualization pan, and this is the data pan. And in the left side, there are some icons available here. First one is report view, second one is table view, third one is model view, and next the new thing is which is DAX query view. So anyone want to know SQL and another any programming language like Python and R, they can use it. Okay, if they have know the details how to use R, Python. Okay, then he or she must be used. Otherwise, first of all, first time you just avoid it. Okay, so next, so right now I don't need a filter pen, so I just collapse it. So now I need only visualization and data pen. So this is my data. If I click the table view, then I show my entire table data. Okay, so not required to open every time in my Excel data sheet. So this is my raw data. If we want to view this, so now I go to the report page, and next the main important thing is the first of all how to Power BI act. Anyone? How to Power BI act? How to use Power BI? Any mechanism? If you remember how to use Power BI or Power BI mechanism, anyone tell me. If any issue, write on the chat box. Okay. Otherwise, I can't recognize you are understood or not. So everyone must be participate. Okay. This is the important thing in your future. So please tell me anyone how to Power BI act or any mechanism. Okay. Tell me anyone who can remember how to Power BI act. I already said in my previous class. Everyone join with laptop.
Yes.
Okay, good. So tell me how to Power BI act.
That to bring a more clarity on the presentation.
Sorry, tell me.
Sir, it's help to visualize the content
Which
or
content?
visualization any idea.
So this is your answer how to Power BI act. Sony, any idea? I think
Sir, what is Power BI? Sir, it's a
no, no.
visual.
I don't want to know what is Power BI. I just ask how Power BI work. What is the mechanism? So everyone know what is the Power BI and what is the data visualization. So just tell me one thing is how to Power BI act. So everyone understood okay how to Power BI work. So basically this is the Power BI software. If first thing is you just get data from another sources in your third party or your common data sources. Okay, whatever you have. So this is first is basically most of they use the Excel file, CSV file. Okay, uh, sometimes most of they uses the SQL Server database. Okay, the entire database is available here. Mostly file, database, Fabric, platform, Azure, online service, and others. Okay, so first get data from another sources. This is the first mechanism or first step. Next, if you get the data, the second thing is Power BI already start cleaning the file, which is called ETL process. Okay, I already said ETL means extract, transform, and load. If you get data from third party, so first thing is Power BI already start the cleaning process. So which part is cleaning the data set? Anyone remember anything? I just said the four components of Power BI. So which component is used for cleaning the data? Okay, anyone any remember?
Power
Okay.
query.
Yes, good. So there is four components. Okay, or collection of components which is called Power BI. So first component is Power Query. So basically Power Query is which extract data, transform and load. Basically this is the cleaning the data, and that's why we called Power BI or any BI tools as a as an ETL tools. Okay, extract, transform and load. So first thing is this one. Second thing is Power Pivot. So basically Power Pivot used for the data modeling or making relationship between more tables. Third one is Power View, which is help to produce 20 plus visualizations chart. basically present report and making the dashboard. And fourth one is already discussed, Power BI services, which is used for sharing your data to the entire world. Basically, this is used for communication purpose. If you publish your report, okay, so you can use the Power BI services components. So these four is the major components of Power BI, which is extended of the MS Excel. Okay, so we all know about the MS Excel. MS Excel basically used for the calculate any tables, okay, create data or make the data, and then it is used for data analysis. But if I want to getting more insights from my report, then we use the BI tools. So two BI tools are very important for us and in our particular segment. First is Power BI and second is Tableau. Okay, so both are BI tools, but there are some unique features they have. So this is the mainly mechanism of the BI tools or Power BI. So I already get the data and this is my data, okay, which is represent alphabetically. First is category, second city, third one is country. So if you click this one, so now you can see this is your Excel data. Okay, this is the main data set, but Power BI already resolve it at a alphabetically manner. Okay, so next we do how to create charts or visualization. So this is the thing which is the most important, how to make charts and graphs. Okay, so first of all I tell you how to make charts and graph. Next you just create a chart and show me. Okay, so I think everybody join with his or her laptop. Okay, so everyone download the Power BI software. Anyone who facing the problem to download Power BI software? I hope everybody did it. Okay. So first thing, so first chart or visualizations is column chart. So anyone tell me when we use column chart or heard about column chart? I think if you did the Excel making any graph or visualizations. So if you are not, don't worry, but speak. Okay. Or write the chat box. Anyone? If you want to speak in your local language, don't worry, you can speak Bengali or Hindi. So tell me, Anyone? Twenty-nine participants are there. Aditya, Neha, Rajaram, Vishwajit. So tell me, related to column chart, if anything is wrong,
Sir,
don't mind. This is
is
the
the
class, okay?
column chart related to bar chart or something like that? Or
So
pie chart?
where you see the column chart? You see the column chart any magazine, any paper, any notice board, any financial journal, any financial statement. Okay. So everything you should clarity about it. So if you speak, I understood where the problem. Okay. So if you want to speak Bengali, don't worry. You can speak Hindi, English. Okay. So anyone. So this is sir column chart and this is the using purpose. Okay. So this is the more important things. Okay. If you use any visualization. So this particular thing is get you the marks. If you choose the wrong one, okay, so your visualization is not created properly. It is created, but it is not up to the mark. So each and every charts and graphs has a reason why you use column chart, why you use pie chart, why you use scatter plot. So this is the main thing for our training. Okay, so how to create the column chart. So basically, we called column chart as a simple column chart or clustered column chart. As a visualization term, we just say as a clustered column chart. So this is my visualization span, and there is lots of icon or charts and graph available here, but everything is not in our topics. Basically, our Python related thing is basically used for the query purpose. Okay, so in the first thing is column chart. So just click on this one, which is called clustered column chart, and you can see this is the clustered column chart or simple column chart. Just click on it first. This is the first step, and now you can see this is the clustered column structure. Just rearrange it at your own positions. Okay, I just elaborate it so everyone see how to use. And if you click on the clustered column chart, now you can see some options are available here. So first is, so I already told you, so if I create any charts, so I repeat once again. Okay, so this is the main thing. Sometimes recruiter asks you what is the main purpose to creating the charts, why we use column chart, bar chart, graph chart. So I just tell you, so what is the main thing. So first, if you create any charts, you require two things. First one is dimension and one is measures. So these two things are mainly required. So sometimes uh, x-axis maybe dimension or measures, y-axis as same, maybe dimensions or measures. Okay, so this is the uh, main purpose. So first, how to create the column chart. So first, I select one of the dimension, which is category. So now I select the category and drag into the x-axis. Next, go to the cells and drag into the y-axis. So now our chart is created. Okay, so this is the column chart. So this is the create within seconds. So if I create this one into the Excel, so first of all I need to create a small table regarding this, and then select it, go to the insert tab, and then click on the recommended chart and select the column chart or class chart column chart. But here this is all are available in a same screen. So first of all I need to create a category uh, to drag into the x-axis, and similar to the salary into the sorry, salary sales into the y-axis. So now this is create a column chart. So next, what we do, so our structure is ready, and next go to the format your visual. So I need to format my visual to better understand. So how to do it? So first click on the visual format option, and this is some segment available here. So first I need to click x-axis. I change something over here. So this is not the thumb rule. You can adjust at your own choice. Okay. So I just select as a front.
Sir, there is not coming except to y-axis. I can't understand.
Yes, tell me one thing
Sorry,
once
I
more.
can't understand from the beginning. From x-axis and y-axis, it is not coming.
Okay. So any chart has two elements basically. There are lots of
Sir, you
elements.
can please send this data with the
I
file.
already send it in your group. Okay. If you check, I already send it.
No, sir, there is no
Okay.
data.
If you are not able, just a minute. I will send just a minute. I- Just a minute. So everybody download the data, okay, and get data into PVI file. Just a minute. Okay, so I think everyone got it. Global Sample Superstore 2016. Download it and get data into your PBI desktop. First do it. Okay. If done, tell me.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So first of all, it is done. Then now, okay. So you already have this data, and first of all, click the clustered column chart and rearrange your chart size. Then you have see there is two main elements. One is x-axis and second is y-axis. So drag category into the x-axis and y cells into the y-axis. So if you drag, you get the this type of visualization. Everybody done? Okay, so everyone done?
স্যার চার্টটা এনেছি বাট এটা এক্স অ্যাক্সিস আর ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিসে কিভাবে আনতে হয় বুঝতে পারছি না স্যার।
So it
আচ্ছা
is not showing x-axis, y-axis.
ওকে, তো তাহলে ফার্স্ট একটা কাজ করো, স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার করো। So anyone facing the problem, share your screen one by one. Vishwajit, you just share your screen first.
স্যার ইজ ইট ভিজিবল?
Yeah, visible. Okay, so first of all, minimize your Chrome window. Okay, minimize it.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলুন কি করবো, তারপর মিনিমাইজ করেছি। দেখা যাচ্ছে কি এটা পাওয়ার বিআই
Um,
এর ইয়েটা?
বাট এটা কিন্তু আসছে না, তোমারটা একদম মানে হোয়াইট স্ক্রিনই দেখাচ্ছে।
ওকে
মানে মেবি হতে পারে হয়তো ওটা আচ্ছা নেক্সট এনিওয়ান এলস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, এবার এবার আসছে স্যার।
ওকে, yeah. So first get the data, everybody. Okay, The first option is first you need to get your data from Power BI desktop. So how to get the data? So click on get data option, click to Excel workbook, choose your file, sample superstore global.
তো এটা আগের দিনের ডেটাটা কিন্তু ঠিক আছে, এটা মানে এখন যেটা পাঠিয়েছেন ওটা হয়তো নয়। এনিওয়ে এইগুলো আছে।
Okay, click the order
লোড।
and load.
দেন স্যার।
Okay, then right side you just see order is available. So just click on order,
ওকে।
expand it. Okay, so then next is you just click on the blank visual which is in your canvas, and then
ওকে।
you get your x and y axis. Okay,
হুম।
okay,
ওকে।
everybody
ওকে
understood
স্যার।
how to get the x and y axis?
তারপর স্যার এখানে ডেটাটা কি করে আনবো এক্স এক্সিস আর ওয়াই
Sir,
এক্সিসে?
এবার
sir,
ডেটাটা
after
কিভাবে আনবে? তো জাস্ট drag your data into your x axis, click on category, just drag and drop into the x axis, and next is drag
সিটি।
cells. No, cells, one dimension and one measure are required. Okay, always remember these two things. And this
ওকে।
is your initial column chart.
গট ইট স্যার।
স্যার এক্স আর ওয়াই এর ফাংশনটা কি স্যার? এক্স অ্যাক্সিস আর ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস এর?
এক্সিস আর ওয়াই অ্যাক্সিস এর ফাংশন হচ্ছে একটা তোমার ডাইমেনশন, একটা তোমার মেজার্স। Just a minute, I just tell you what is x and y. So I think everyone uh, see my screen. Okay, so how to understood x and y axis? So basically, if we want to create any charts, so two main things first is required. So one is x axis and second is y axis. So we all did in our 10th and 9 on 10th standard math. So just I just recap it first. So basically this is the So basically this is x, this is 0, and this is y-axis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the main thing. So if you are noticed in your PBI file, so this particular thing is, I just share it. Just a minute.
Sir, the transform data is not working.
The transform data is not working. I think you download the old data. Okay. So just download Global Sample Superstore 2016. Okay.
Okay,
I,
sir.
I just sent. So download this data and next get it. So if you were see, the same thing is available here. So these things, if I imagine, so this is my x-axis. Okay, so category is my x-axis and cell is my y-axis. Okay, got it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is the main thing. So this is not a thumb rule. So you just drag category every time in x-axis and cells every time y-axis. So your user, you should understood how to build your visualizations. Okay, so because of this is the clustered column chart, so this is the procedure. So I just drag category into the x-axis and cells into the y-axis. This is create the primary texture. So next, if I want to deliver it to others, so I want to uh, cosmetic, add some cosmetic parts. So next, I just click this icon, which is called format your visual. And now this is the first option, which is x-axis. I just try to, so now this is the clear. So my first category is technology, second category is furniture, and third category is office supplies. Next,
Sir, you can
what?
repeat it.
Okay. So first go to the this icon. Okay. This is your visualizations icon. And next to the visualizations icon is format your visualizations. If you required any formatting in your visualization, you just go to this option. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just go to the and click on this, and now this is your x-axis. Just click on it, and if you want to change your font size, font, bold, italic, underline, whatever you have, so I just used only bold, change the font size, and take the black color as my requirement. So this is the user oriented requirement. This is the not thumb rule. Yeah, because it 15 is available here, bold already, click on bold option, already getting the uh, black color as your requirement. Okay, you choose it. Next, go to the data label option. So now it is required. So I just go to the data label option and click to on it. So first it is on, you can see this is the small data label available here. So next I just change the data label. Click on data label, scroll it, and then go to the value option and simple do the same thing. I just change the size. Okay. Okay, so everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then just scroll and I just change my unit. So this is the million. So now I want to change it thousands. So it's change in my units. So now I just remove the decimal places. So I just type 0 or you just click on decrease decimal places.
Sir, you can repeat the decimal places. Sir.
Okay, this is the decimal places. This option is available here. Okay, so you just write 0 or just
Sir,
click
data level available. Data level.
এটা ডেটা লেভেলে অ্যাভেলেবেল তুমি জাস্ট ডেটা লেভেলে যাবে যখনই তুমি ডেটা লেভেলটাকে ক্লিক করবে তো দেন ডেটা লেভেলটা তোমার এক্সপান্ড হবে ওখানে একটা অপশন দেখবে ভ্যালু তো ভ্যালুতে দেন ক্লিক করবে এটা অ্যাভেলেবেল হবে তো ফার্স্ট তুমি এই দুটোকে চেঞ্জ করলে দেন গো টু দ্য ডিসপ্লে ইউনিট অপশন অ্যান্ড if I want to change is auto none thousand million trillion what is required for my visualizations তো আমার এখানে থাউজেন্ড দরকার তো আমি থাউজেন্ড নিয়েছি দেন I don't know any decimal places over here so that's why I just type 0 or click on decrease option. Okay, increase decimal and decrease decimal, so it is decreased. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood. तो समझ में आया सभी everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next so now I don't need to any other changes in my data label so I just click on data label and collapse it. Next I want to change my column because every column is same so I need some more colors over here so I click the columns expand and next choose category so first thing is all so that's why it is just a minute. Okay, so first just select the all first if you select all so that's why the all color are same so now I want to do something so I just click on technology choose as per requirement my color so I just change it. Okay, done everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next and last thing is so go to the general option beside the visual and I change my title so I just select on it remove it and type column chart. I just bold it, choose my related colors and change the alignment. I just highlight the others color apart from black. I just select this one. Okay. So my column chart is ready. So if I want to change the background, then I go to the effect and change my background color. This is the secondary. Okay. It is not required to change background color. If you want to change your background color, so you can do it. Okay. So now my column chart is ready actually. So everyone understood how to create the visualizations? Okay, so just do it in your machines. Okay, and I just recap small things related to first what is Power BI components, why Power BI architectures. Okay, so don't worry. Just first do it, and then I will tell you. Okay. Okay, so anyone any question regarding column charts? Everyone understood? If any question,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. होप सबको समझ में आया होगा. अच्छा, so I just recap in my first class. Okay, shortly. So first, what is Power BI? So Power BI basically a data visualizations tools which is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and it is used for the data analysis and making graph and reports for our understanding the better insights in our data. Okay, so this is the main thing to use BI tools. So every BI tools has a purpose. The first purpose to get data from another sources, and next clean it, make a report and produce the report. Basically it is report or dashboard, whatever you want. Okay, so this is the main thing. And next, what is Power BI components? So I already told you the four main components of Power BI. First is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI services. And third is why we use Power BI. So there are lots of BI tools available in our industry or in our, so there is mainly two BI tools we already use entered the globally. So first is Power BI and second is Tableau. Okay. So why Power BI? The first thing is maximum features. Okay. Second is cost of Power BI. Third is data connectivity. And fourth one is recognized by Gartner company. And fifth is goodwill. The first maximum features. So Power BI has maximum features which is required to analysis the data. Okay. So that's why we use the Power BI mostly. So next is cost of Power BI. So basically, if you are compared to the other BI tools, Power BI cost less to others. So this is one of the reason to use Power BI. Third, data connectivity. So you already so to how to get the data from another sources. So here 50 plus connectivity sources. If you want to choose your data from Excel, CSV, JSON file, SQL server, any warehouse, Fabric, any others drives like Google Drive, Google spreadsheet, whatever you have. Okay. So this is the main reason to use Power BI. Fourth one is recognized by Gartner company. So Gartner company is one of the company. Uh, Basically, the Gartner company's main work is to rating or identify the brilliant BI tools. So Gartner company is certified to BI. So that's why we use BI tools, Power BI tools as a BI for data analysis and visualizations. Okay. Next is Goodwill. So basically, it is developed by Microsoft Corporation. So we all already know about the Microsoft Corporation since 90s. It's we use the Microsoft Corporation product. Okay, so like Windows, drives, anything. Okay, so we believed Microsoft has a good tools to provide us a better and enhance or escalation in our business progress. So this is the main reason to use the Power BI. Okay, and it is user friendly basically. Not not need any coding related background to use this particular software. Okay, so understood everyone. I think everyone should clear. So what is Power BI? How to Power BI work? What is the combination? Uh, and Power BI, why we use Power BI? And you hear about the data visualizations. So data visualization basically, if we have a raw data and then we want to find out any insights in our data. Okay, so then we use data visualizations model to visualizations our data in a graphical manner. Okay, so now tell me anyone, any question? So one request, everyone should practice at your home. Okay, so record are available. So just download or go through the record and keep practicing. Okay, so this is the main required. So next, to jump to our topic, which is column chart. So next is why we use column chart and when? So first of all, column chart is used for comparison purpose. If I want to see any comparison between two things or more than that, then we use the column charts. Okay, to better understood how it's work. So that's why we use the column chart. So if we are seeing the column chart, so everyone could understood if he or she is company CEO or lemon, whatever he or she have. So first thing is technology gives us the most sellable category. Next, furniture. i- Then second and third one is office supplies. So we better understood this to that. So this is the main raw thing. And if I understood how to category work, I click on this, go to the filter, and then I realize how to act this. So this is the basically boring. Okay. So anyone who already know about the Excel, he or she could understand how to implement filter, how to make it. Okay. But if I present this one, so anyone can understand what is the thing. So he or she don't need to know the Power BI or any others BI tools. So anyone is see, so he or she tell technology gives us the more sales apart from the others, furnitures and supplies. Okay, understood. When to use the column chart. So basically it is used for the making comparison between two things. Okay. Anyone, any question? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? I think everyone should understood. Okay, I asked.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, so anyone did it in your system? If done, so share me. See what you do. Vishwajit, do it. Done.
No, sir. Wait.
এখন একটু বাকি আছে নাকি? Okay. Anyone, any question? Reshma, understood? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. So next, how to save the data is a similar like Word and Excel. Just go to the file and click on save, or you can use the shortcut key, which is Control plus S. So if you save it, you can see in the title bar your last save and date and time are available here. Okay. Okay. So anyone share your screen? Shonjip, Rajaram.
Sir, I can give you the file because I am doing connecting in mobile.
Okay, okay. So not required. Okay. Any others? বিশ্বজিৎ একবার হয়ে গেলে দেখাতে পারো। Okay. If anyone else,
Sir, may I?
yeah.
স্যার জাস্ট চার্ট গুলো শেয়ার করবো যেগুলো করলাম।
যেটা তুমি এক্ষুনি করেছো, মানে আমি যেটা দেখালাম কলাম চার্ট, দেখি তুমি কিরকম বানিয়েছো।
ওকে
এনি
ওকে।
আদার? অর্ণবী?
Sir, I'm trying to share my screen, but I don't know why it's not showing. Sir, can I take a screenshot of my screen and send it to you?
So
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
don't send it into the group. So you just send me. So
Okay. Okay, sir. I'm not sending it to the group. I will send
no,
you.
it's not required. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay, okay, sir.
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার?
বিশ্বজিৎ, হ্যাঁ তোমারটা তো ইয়ে করছো, এবার মিনিমাইজ করো। ওকে, গুড। But one suggest you just changing your data label. Okay, just increase the data label size. So
আচ্ছা,
anyone see it, so he or she must understood what you are telling to them. Okay.
okay.
Otherwise, it is good. First attempt is good, not bad.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Okay, so I need more participate. So I just okay. So okay. So next, save is done. Next thing is what is short? So anyone uh heard the term before? SORT, short. What is short and previously used anytime?
So in Excel, there is option of sort and filter. We can
Okay.
filter out the
So
data.
So we can sort data according to my need, according to our need.
okay. So basically, why you use short?
So to minimize the required what we actually need from all the data.
Okay, so basically, thing is when we enter the data, so it is randomly. So just like in your batch, Biswajit came to first and enroll in your group. So I just typing Biswajit, and this is the, and next is Sanjeev, Rajaram, Neha. Okay, you and others come one by one. But when I publish my report, then I didn't type Vishit as a first because I just realize or release my data according to some condition oriented and which is called ascending and descending order. Okay, so we must require to know how to rearrange our data. So short is basically rearrange our data according to, if I am using text, then we use A to Z and Z to A, and ascending and descending order. Similar, if I use any numerical values like basic, DA, TA, profit, based on these or that particular columns, then I use to smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Okay, so basically sorting is rearranging our data. So if I do this, so how to do? So firstly, I share my screen and small thing. So I just create my column charts. Now I want to sort it. So you can see uh, in your visualizations field. So and bottom of your column chart visualization, there is three dots available here, which is called more option. You just click on it, and there is the short axis. So there is the two things, ascending and descending order. Now this is sum of cells and descending order. Descending means largest to smallest. That's why technologies appear first, second, and third. If I
Sir, you
ascending,
can repeat it, sir.
oh okay. So first make your chart first. Okay, done.
Done, sir.
Next go to the bottom and see. Three dots available here. Okay, understood. In below your charts, three dots are available here. Sometime is present the top of the chart, but first you can check in bottom. If it is not visible, so you
Yes, sir.
just
Yes, I found it.
if you click it and you can look, it is short axis. So if you choose sales, then sort descending and ascending. Over here, if you sorry, if you choose category, then you can choose category. Okay, then it is done by alphabetically manner. So if I choose category and then I choose ascending, so furniture F is first, A, B, C, D. So first is furniture, then O office, and then T technology. If I doing descending, so then technology is first, office and furniture. So now I change it into the sum of cells and descending order. Okay. So done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone understood. So before we conclude our session, uh, so just take your attendance. Just hold sometimes. I just okay. So I uh, Sonny, Sonny Sao.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya Ghosh, Aishwarya, Ankit Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Arnabi Das,
Present, sir.
Biswajit Das, present.
Present, sir.
Okay. Chandrolekha Das,
Present, sir.
Ishika Saha, Ishika Saha, Kaushiki Bhattacharya,
Yes, sir.
Neha Roy,
Present, sir.
Prerona Das, Prerona Das, Rajaram, present.
Yes, sir.
Risha Fatima,
Present, sir.
uh, Ritik Pan,
Present, sir.
Sonjeev Mohanty.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Nizam, Tanya Nizam.
Just a minute, hold on. I never. Just hold on, hold on.
Okay.
Sanjeevan Jana,
Yes, sir.
Saif Rahman,
Yes, sir.
Shayanti Sarkar,
Present, sir.
সৌমিক ঘোষ, সৌমিক ঘোষ,
Yes, sir. Present.
সুলগ্না সাহা,
Yes, sir.
সূর্যাস্মি, ঠিক বললাম, ঘোষ,
Yes, sir.
Present.
Suryashi, sir.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বুঝতে পেরেছি। কি বললে নামটা তোমার? ঈশিকা সাহা।
Yes, sir. Sir, Rinita Kole.
আচ্ছা, তুমি আজকে ফার্স্ট আছো? You
Sir,
are the first.
Orghojit Das.
Sir, Danya,
Just
you
a minute,
Sir,
forget my
Rahul
name.
Das.
just a minute, one by one by
Sir, Kriti.
just a minute, one by one. যার নাম আমি এখনো ডাকিনি আমি বলবো, জাস্ট a minute, one by one. আচ্ছা, যাদের নাম আমি বলিনি তাহলে এক এক করে বলো, যাদের নাম আমি এখনো ডাকিনি। ফার্স্ট,
Orghojit Das.
দাঁড়াও, জাস্ট a minute. অর্ঘ্যজিৎ দাস,
Danya Nizam.
জাস্ট a minute, হোল্ড অন। অর্ঘ্যজিৎ দাস। আচ্ছা, যাদের নাম আমি অলরেডি ডেকে নিয়েছি তারা লিভ করে যেতে পারো, ঠিক আছে? তো নেক্সট ক্লাসে আবার দেখা হবে।
Sir,
Good night.
Chandradippa Ghosh.
অর্ঘ্যজিতের আজকে ফার্স্ট ক্লাস, তাই তো? অর্ঘ্যজিৎ কোথায় গেল?
Sir,
আচ্ছা,
Chandradippa Ghosh
দাঁড়াও,
দিয়েছেন।
অর্ঘ্যজিতের পর ছিল, জাস্ট এ মিনিট, অর্ঘ্যজিতের পরে দানিয়া
Yes, sir.
নিজাম। আজকে তোমার ফার্স্ট ক্লাস? দিস
Yes,
ইজ
sir.
ইউর
This is my
ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
first class.
ওকে, ওকে, নাও ইউ ক্যান লিভ।
Sir, Pushpita
Sir,
Vishwas.
Rinita.
দাঁড়াও, নেক্সট। আর কার নাম বলিনি?
Sir,
এবার বলো, ওয়ান।
Chandradippa Ghosh.
আচ্ছা, রিনিতা কোলে আছে, চন্দ্রদীপা। দাঁড়াও, ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান আমি ইয়ে করে নি। চন্দ্রদীপা, তোমার আজকে এটা ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
Yes, sir.
ওকে, নেক্সট, রিনিতা। রিনিতার আজকে এটা ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে, যাদের নাম হয়ে যাচ্ছে তারা লিভ করে যাবে, ওকে?
স্যার আমারটা প্রেজেন্ট করেছিলেন
তো
সৌমিক
তোমার নামটা বলো।
সৌমিক ঘোষ।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সৌমিক, দাঁড়াও একবার দেখে নি। তোমার নাম ডেকেছিলাম, সৌমিক ঘোষ, হ্যাঁ প্রেজেন্ট করেছি। লিভ
Okay,
করতে
sir.
পারো সৌমিক, হ্যাঁ। নেক্সট,
Sir, Kritikavya Das.
তোমার আজকে ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
হ্যাঁ, sir.
কৃতি দাস।
Sir,
আচ্ছা।
Aparajita Shaha.
তোমার আজকে এটা ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Rahul Das.
রাহুল আজকে ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Pushpita Vishwas.
রাহুল দাস ফার্স্ট ক্লাস। পুষ্পিতা বিশ্বাস।
রাত্রির বাসনটা শুনতে পেলাম আমি পরিষ্কার করেছি।
আচ্ছা, পুষ্পিতা আজকে এটা ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
Sir, Suryendu Mukherjee.
দাঁড়াও, জাস্ট সূর্যেন্দু মুখার্জি আজকে এটা ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
Yes, sir.
সূর্যেন্দু, হ্যাঁ লিভ করতে পারো, থ্যাংক ইউ।
স্যার রৌনক দত্ত।
রনক দত্ত। রৌনক,
Sir,
এটা আজকে
Tithi
ফার্স্ট ক্লাস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার ফার্স্ট ক্লাস।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
Tithi De.
স্যার আমারটা হয়ে গেছে, অপরাজিতা সাহা।
অপরাজিতা সাহা, হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে, ডান।
স্যার চন্দ্রলেখা দাসের প্রেজেন্ট দিয়েছিলেন?
চন্দ্রলেখা দাস প্রেজেন্ট দিয়েছি।
ওকে স্যার।
স্যার আদিত্য কুন্ডু,
আদিত্য, তুমি তো আগের দিন মনে হয় ছিলে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ছিলাম স্যার।
হ্যাঁ দিয়েছি তাহলে, আদিত্য ইয়ে।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
হুম।
স্যার আমারটা দিয়েছেন প্রেজেন্ট?
তোমার নামটা বলো। তিতলি, হ্যাঁ তুমি তো এক্ষুনি বলে, আজকে ফার্স্ট ক্লাস ছিল তো তোমার।
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে, ডান।